Now we're going to take a brief interlude to take a look at distinct. And I'm just going to clear everything, and I do not want that command to run. What I do want is to look at my customers table, and then I'm going to do select distinct. Oh, first I'm going to do insert into customers values, and I'm going to do 11 James and some revenue, and then I need a state. Okay, and now I'm going to do select star from customers, and now I have 2 James. So what if I do select distinct C first from customers? It gave me 1 James, right? So that's distinct.